welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In today's video, we are drawing mango and we will color it yellow and orange as we have two colors. This one is orange color and this one is yellow color. So drawing the mango is super easy. You can draw it on any page. So first of all, you have to draw the outline using drawing pencil. I am using this marker. So first of all, let's draw the stem. We will also use one more color, that is green, to draw the leaves and the stem. So here we have a green color. So let's draw. So this is the stem we are drawing first. So we are drawing a mango. Wow, such a beautiful mango. And now the another part. So these are two mangoes and now we will draw the leaves. So this is one leaf and this one is the second one. So our mango has drawn and now we will start coloring the mango. So that's super easy. First of all, we will give it yellow color. As the mango has yellow color, it's also a yellow page. You can color on any page. You can see we are giving it yellow color. So this is yellow color. Do you like mango juice? I really like it, and this is summer in this area, so there are a lot of mangoes. They are not, so you can drink mango juice. That's quite healthy. So we are giving it yellow color. This is yellow color. Some of the color that will we give should be orange, because a dark red color with orange in some areas. So this is a mango, and now we will color the orange. The first part is to color the yellow. So let's color it. This is yellow color. Now we will give orange color to the rest of the part. The sides of the mango will look like a orange color. That will look so beautiful. So cleaning the brush. use it with this color. Let's start. So this is orange color. And now we will color the rest of the part, this side, orange color. So we have drawn 2 mangoes. They are looking so beautiful. And now we will color the stem and the leaves, that is green color. So let's start. So this is green color. Now the stems, these are also green. You can also use dark green color. Now with care you have to color. Now coloring this side. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this is a mango. I hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe our channel for more videos. We will draw regular videos related to English letters, rhymes, drawings, and too much. So you can visit the channel for more.